more you have inside this?
Colors.
How many colors are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you tell me the name of the colors?
Green, blue, yellow, red.
And what more you have?
Brush.
And I can see one more thing there. I think there is a silver thread.
Yes.
Okay, can you please show me? Give it to me. Okay. So guys, look, we have this DIY Suncatcher set. What we have in this, look, there's one Suncatcher, one paintbrush, 4 paint pots and a cord. So these are the things we have inside this. All the instruction here: using the brush, apply the paint to the Suncatcher, fill each section just below the rim, let the paint dry completely overnight. The paint will dry down and the color will become vibrant. Using the cord provided, hang your Suncatcher against the window to catch the light. So these are the instructions we have got inside this packet. So I think, Krishika, are you excited to fill this butterfly?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes. Let's start.
What we are going to do now?
We are going to paint the butterfly.
Sure. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open this.
Okay.
So let's open this first. Now what we have, I'm showing you. This is the butterfly which we are going to paint. This is the plastic stuff. Krishika, take it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And we have 4 color shades: red, yellow, blue and green. Take it, Krishika.
Thank you.
You're welcome, princess. And there's one brush to paint. Take it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And there's one cord. So Krishika, shall we start the video?
Yes.
Okay, start. And paint the butterfly, so colorful one.
Okay. It's becoming red and yellow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. A yellow heart.
Yeah, butterfly is an insect.
But chicken bite.
Hmm?
But chicken bite.
No, butterfly don't bite.
She say hello.
She can do flutter, 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 flutter. And the butterfly is so beautiful insect. Do you know the story of butterfly?
Yes.
Can you tell me? What was that on Sunday? That one.
On Sunday, that was a caterpillar. And caterpillar was finding a juice. And that was becoming like a butterfly.
This is a short story. But what about the full story? What about cocoon? What about caterpillar?
Hey. Wow, so pretty.
Put this on the paper. Let's get it dry and we can check it tomorrow morning. Okay?
Look guys, now it's dry.
Let's take this out.
Let's take out the mold.
So guys, now we have the silver thread. So we are going to put this thread. Give me. Now we are going to put this thread here on this hole. Now we are going to hang this somewhere.
Look guys, it's looking pretty. If you enjoy our video, subscribe, like,